Hello, my dear 6th standard students. How are you and your family? I am your, I am your social science sir. In the last class, we learned a lesson understanding diversity. In civics, today we will learn the lesson back questions. Students, please turn your social science book, page number 200. First question. India consists of dash states and dash union territories. Answer. A 27 and 9, B 29, 7, C 28, 7, D 28, 9. இல்லை எது ஆன்சர்? B 29, 7. First dash 29, second dash 7. Next, choose the best. India is known as A continent, B subcontinent, C island, D none of these. Answer B subcontinent. Third question. Mount Seram, the land highest rainfall, is located in A Manipur, B Sikkim, C Nagaland, D Meghalaya. Answer D Meghalaya. Fourth question. Which one of the following religion is not practiced in India? A Sikkim, B Islam, C Zoroastrian, D Confucianism. Answer D Confucianism. Number 5. Recognized official language of India as per 8th schedule of Indian Constitution. A 25, B 23, C 22, D 26, C 22. Sixth question. Onam festival celebrated in dash. A Kerala, B Tamil Nadu, C Punjab, D Karnataka. Answer A Kerala. Next, question number 7. Mohiniyattam is classical dance of dash. A Kerala, B Tamil Nadu, C Manipur, D Karnataka. Answer A Kerala. Eighth question. Discovery of India, a book was written by A Rajaji, B VOC, C Netaji, D Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer Jawaharlal Nehru. D is Jawaharlal Nehru. Ninth question. The phrase unity is diversity was coined by A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Ambedkar, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Rajaji. Answer A. Jawaharlal Nehru. 10th question. V. A. Smith called India as dash. A. Great democracy, B. Unique land of diversity, C. Ethnological museum, D. Secular nation. Answer C. Ethnological museum. Second, fill in the blanks. 1. Geographical features and climatic conditions determine the dash activities of a region. Answer economic. For economic first letter capital போட்டுக்க, small letter போட்டுட்டாங்க. Next, fill in the blanks. Second question. Jaisalmer, the land of lowest rainfall, is located in dash. Answer Rajasthan. Third, Tamil was declared as classical language in the year 2004. Answer 2004. Fourth question. Bigu festival is celebrated in dash. Answer Assam. Match the following. Third, first question. Negroid. Answer fishery. Second, hostel area. First, Negroids வந்து Indian race. Second, hostel areas வந்து fishery. Third, Zoroastrian and religion. Fourth, unity is diversity. Answer India. Fourth, answer the following question. Define. First question, define diversity. Second question, what are the types of diversity? Third question, why is India called a subcontinent? Fourth question, write the name of 3 major festivals celebrated in India. Fifth question, list out some of the classical dance of India. Sixth question, why is India called the land of unity in diversity? First question, define diversity. We the Indian come from different background, belong to different culture, worship in different ways. This is known as diversity. What are the types of diversity? Landform and lifestyle diversity. Next, religion diversity. Next, cultural diversity. Next, social diversity. Last, linguistic diversity, which is India called a subcontinent. ஏன் இந்தியா வந்து ஒரு துணைக்கண்டம் என்று அழைக்கப்படும். Continent is a very large area of land with various physical features such as mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers and seas, and various types of weather pattern. India has all of them, so India is known as a subcontinent. Write the name of 3 major festivals celebrated in India. Deepavali, Christmas, Ramzan. Answer: Deepavali, Christmas, Ramzan. Sixth question. Listed some of classical dance of India. Tamil Nadu, Bharatanatyam, Kerala, Karnataka, Yashagana, Andhra Pradesh, Kuchipudi, Assam, Sastriya, Kerala, Kathakali, Odisha, Odissi, Manipur, Manipuri. Sixth question. Why is India called the land of unity? Unity is diversity. Though diversity is visible in every aspect of life in India, we are united by the spirit of patriotism. இதோட எல்லா கொஸ்டின் முடிஞ்சுது. மற்றதெல்லாம் சரி, இன்னும் வர்ற அன்னைக்கு வந்து இந்த இதில் வந்து இந்த பாடத்தில் வந்து ஏற்கனவே கொஞ்சம் எழுதியிருப்பான்னு நினைக்கிறேன். வேறு எழுதாததான் இடத்துல எழுதி எனக்கு அனுப்பிவிடுங்க. அதோட பாடம் முடிஞ்சு.